Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a spooky kind of look, something creative, and I'm just popping on my contact lens. But before then, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when next I make an upload, and leave a comment whatsoever. So getting started, I have my contact in. It looks weird and scary. So taking my classic lash glue, I'll be applying that to my natural brows. And this is just because I want my natural brows faded. Like, I don't want to see them, because for this look you are not going to see my brows. So basically I'm popping on my clown white and I'm using a beauty sponge to blend it in. It was a bit much, but doesn't matter anyways. To be very honest, I am even scared of myself right now. Like, I look so scary, like you. So I'm just popping on my Ezekiel foundation with a beauty sponge and blending that into my skin, and then I'll be applying that all over my face to cover the white you are seeing, my neck, just to blend everything in. And so you can see I've blended the white surface, and I look scary. It looks so scary. So I'm taking my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just highlighting the places I'll basically highlight while doing the normal makeup, and I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge again. So along the line, while I was in this makeup, while I was dabbing my crease, my contact moved. And I'm not capping, it really busted my head. I was so shocked, like, so I had to be very careful with my dabbing. So next, I'm taking the Blossom Makeup Afro Cheek Lip Palette. And I'll be taking an orange shade from there, and I'll be using a regular brush to just blend it into my skin. And what I'm using the orange shades to do is like contour my face. The way I'll use a dark skin foundation to contour my face is just similar. I'm using this orange shade to contour my face. So I just extended that to my neck, and I started blending it out with my beauty sponge. So taking that lipstick shade, I'll be applying that to my neck region, and I'll be blending it out with the same brush. So next, taking a yellow shade from the same palette, I just applied that to the same places I initially contoured. This just to brighten it, and with the same beauty sponge, I'm just blending that into my skin. So once we're done with that, I've taken my burgundy and red lipstick shade, and I'll be applying that to highlight, my forehead region, and this just had a bit of depth to the region, and I'll be extending downwards to the place I contoured. And once I'm done with this, I'll taking that same orange shade I used initially, and I'll be using that to set the place I just used the pink and red combination on. And with another brush, I'll be applying the orange neon pigment to the places I contoured earlier with orange. Taking my Espon setting powder, I'll be using that to set the highlighted places. So while setting my forehead, I had to close my eyes because I didn't want any fallout getting into my eyes because of my contacts. And so I set my nose and used that same orange shade that I'm applying currently to my eyelid to contour the bridge of my nose. That serves as my nose contour. And so I'm just applying a neon pigment, an orange neon pigment, and I'm just also using that to define the bridge of my nose. So with a black liner, I outlined the inner corners of my eyes, and I also extended that outward to draw wings that I wanted. Next, I'll be taking the same clown white base, and I'll be using that to just draw white strokes all around, just make a statement. And I had to line my waterline area, and I extended that outward. So next, I'm applying that orange shade to my under eye, and basically I look scary, guys. I look so scary right now, and I'm using a liquid liner to just draw some these black lines you can see. I'm just using that to draw it. So as you can see, I'm just popping on yellow there, and I went over it with yellow pigment. So next I'm going to be making print. So once I'm done with that, I'll just be drawing black lines. You don't have to follow a specific design. This is just you being creative. Do it the way you think you want to do it. Next, I'm taking the same clown white and I'm applying that in between the black lines, like just doing it randomly. So once we're done with that, we're just going to put in some highlighter to my cheekbones, just glow baby glow. I'm going to be highlighting the places that need to be highlighted. And that is it basically. Then I'm just drawing those black prints you can also see, and I'm just applying the white base to my neck and shoulder region. So I just added orange to make the print more obvious. So next, using a brush, I'm applying my black lipstick to my lips. And once I'm done with this, I'll be popping on some orange lipstick to the center of my lips. So we're done with the lips. Taking my clown white, I'll be using that to extend the white lines. So I'm just going to be applying some of the yellow and orange to my ears, and I'm applying print after that is done. And it's a wrap, guys. As you can see, we achieved this by using the basic things we normally use: eyeshadow base, neon pigment, lipsticks, eyeliner, and these were the major things we used. And I hope you were able to catch one or two tips. This is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share to friends and family, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye my loves.